Hey guys, let's do an in-depth 3D flower tutorial. To start, I grab a big ball of sculpting gel, I roll it into a line, and then I just evenly slice it and roll them into small little balls. For this step, I'm going to be using my 3D sculpting pencil to place all my petals exactly where I want them. This flower is going to have 5 petals, so this is kind of how I'm setting it up. To start, we're going to place the most pressure from the tip of the pencil on the inside of the flower petal. Then you're going to gently place a little bit of pressure on the back of the pencil. That's going to create the outside of that petal. One of the pros about sculpting gel is that you have as much time as you need to mold all of your petals. Now you just use that same technique to go around and sculpt all your petals exactly how you want them. There is no perfect way to do the petals, it just depends on your preference and how you want them to look. So many different ways you can paint your flower, but for me I'm going to be using a short-haired brush because you have a little bit more control. This is going to be my base color, so I'm going to make sure that I get it all over all of the petals. For this part I'm going to grab a skinny liner brush so I can do the details, and I'm going to outline the outside of the petals. This part is a lot more detailed. I like to use a little less paint on my brush so it gives that effortless little flower petally look. If you're not comfortable with doing this for the inside of the flower, I've also seen people do airbrush for the inside and it also looks super cute. Lastly, we put a gold bead on the inside using 3D gel, and then we top coated the whole thing, and this is your final look.